This problem is a code challenge for black. Black does not have enough ice space, so this should be pretty obvious. And black just needs to be careful, right? Starting a code is not too hard. So black might think, this is a code, right? This looks like a code. But white's number 2 doesn't have to play there. White can play here, and now black is dead because this is a fake mutual life pattern. Black eventually will have to fill in this intersection and will only be able to capture a straight 3, which is a dead pattern. So black needs to play this, right? This is a double tiger's mouth. If white tries to prevent this code, then black can live very easily, right? White cannot come inside like this. So white can only play this, and now black can start the code like this. So again, not ideal for black, right? If white wins, it'll be like this. Black will be all dead. If black captures back and wins the code, it'll look like this. And in the future, it might even be able to capture white stones like this. So this is the best black can do. And there are not a whole lot of choices that black has on this corner. So I guess 2 things. First, slow down. Don't think this will work because white can play here instead of the Atari. And number 2, right? Once again, we have this pattern on the corner. And black can throw in here to start a code. Thank you for watching.